Assalamualaikum class 7. How are you all? This is your mathematics class. We are going to start now exercise 3b. As you know, we have done exercise 3a in my last class. All questions done. So today my topic is factorization and the exercise is 3b. We have to start. Actually, factorization is the reverse of expansion. In the expansion you are seeing brackets are there, so we are solving the brackets, but here we have to make the brackets. How we will make the brackets? See the factorization. The first one question is factorize each of the following expression completely on page number 111. A square plus 9a plus 8. The 2 or 3 steps which you have to follow, and 2 or 3 tips which I am going to tell you which you have to follow. The 3 terms are there. Wherever the factorization is there, the 3 terms are there. First, second, third. First term is in a form of a square. The second term is not in a form of a square. The third term is in a form of number. What will you do? This is, you can say, the quadratic equation, standard form of quadratic equation. Now what will you do? You will just check the third term before the third term, which plus sign is there or minus sign is there. If the plus sign is there, so you will add the middle term. If the minus sign is there, then the different story. I will tell you in next class. The first thing is that all the expressions are in plus sign, and the last third number is in plus sign. Before 8, the plus sign is there. So what you will do? The first digit you are seeing, no number is there, it means 1. When you multiply 1 by 8, it will become 8. Now make, you can say, the LCM of 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. 8. When you add, you have to 9, and when you multiply, you have the number 8. How you will check it? When you are multiplying 8 by 1, you are getting 8, and when you are adding 8 plus 1, what it will become? It will become 9. So the thing is that when you are adding 2 numbers, you are getting 9, and when you are multiplying 2 numbers, you are getting 8. That is the main thing. Now you have to factorize. How? First term as it is, the middle term is going to break. How break? 8 plus 1, because when you are multiplying, it will become 8, and when you are adding, it will become 9. 8a plus 1a. 1a or a same, plus 8. Now what you will do? Now in the question you have 3 terms, now you have 4 terms. Now you will make common between two terms. What is the common here? A is the common, because are you seeing a square plus 8a? A is there common, so you are taking a as a common here. Then you will make a bracket sign, and here when you are taking 1a as a common, so what is left? 2 a's are there, so 1 is left, so you will write it like this. And here you have taken a as a common, so you can't write it a here because you have already taken, so you will just write 8 here. So the bracket will become closed because you are making common between two terms. Are you getting? In the question 3 terms, and after solution you have 4 terms. Now here no common number is there, so you can take 1 as a common here, then make a bracket, and then a plus a. The main thing is that whenever you are making 2 brackets, these 2 brackets must be same. It means you have done the correct breaking of the middle term. Alright, so a plus 8 you will come in a one bracket, and a plus 1 will come in a next bracket. So this is the answer of factorization of part 1, a square plus 9a plus 8. Alright, now come to the second question, b part. B square plus 8b plus 15. Now again what you will do? You will check the before the third term plus sign is there, and then break 15, because here 1, when you are going to multiply 1 by 15, it will become 15, and when you are taking the LCM of 15, it will become 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now breaking middle term, when you are adding 2 terms, you getting 15. 8 you have to find out. It means when you are adding 3 plus 5, it will become 8, and when you are multiplying 3 multiply by 5, you are getting 15. So the breaking will become, when you are adding, it will become 8, and when you are multiplying, it will become 15. Now 4 term will come, b square plus 3b plus 5b plus 15, and you can write 5b first and then 3b, or 5b or 3b, you can write it first one. Now again you have to take the common between two terms, so b is common here, so what is left? B. Make a bracket, b plus 3. Then what is common here? Because 5 is coming in a table of 15 is coming in a table of 5, so you can take 5 as a common here, then it will become b plus 3. Again you are seeing 2 brackets are coming same. This is the main thing which you have to follow, and then b plus 3 and b plus 5 will come in one bracket. See, so in this way you can factorize these A and B, and the C and D part I have given you in your homework. Alright, only the thing is that minus sign is there. So what you will do in minus sign, you will know it, minus, when minus minus plus, so you have to take breaking of 28 and breaking of 20, and the same sign is coming. Okay, try to do it C and D part in your home. Okay, take care, Allah Hafiz, we will meet in next class.